What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Let's talk about XRP because we have some things that are happening. We have the lawsuit and the appeal and the cross appeal. Yeah, we have all that happening. But while all this is taking place, we have Ripple that is making moves. And I think they're tired of standing still, which honestly, I understand. There's so many places to where we can go and what Ripple could be doing, what XRP could be doing with partnerships and everything. And that's what we want to talk about here. The partnerships that are being made and a new partnership for the launch of the stablecoin and obviously success of the stablecoin is going to be big for Ripple, XRP as a whole. So before we get started, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, @PerryHGA, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys are interested and you want to trade XRP at up to a 100 or up to a 50x leverage, feel free to check that out. The link is in the description, especially as we have altcoin season literally on the next sunrise. It seems like it's going to be like right around the corner. We're going to see things that absolutely explode, and we want to be a part of everything the max way that we can. So feel free to check out that link down below if you guys are interested in leverage trading. If you're not, totally understand. But if we look at where XRP currently stands, XRP stands at a 54, almost 55 cent price. Now it's at a 0.75% increase over the last day. We're seeing a $1.07 billion volume day, which is actually down 17%. I want to see that volume continuing to skyrocket, continuing to rise, but it is down 17%, but the market cap is above the $30 billion market cap. It's now at a $31 billion market cap. And the circulating supply still is around the same, 56.65 billion coins that are out there. If we look at the last 7 days, it's up by 3.5%. The last month, it's down by 5%. And again, the last year, up by about 11%. It's been fluctuating up to 70, down to 40, up to 70, down to 40, up to 65. And are we going to see it down to 40, or are we going to see that continue? If we look at all history, from where this was at a low point, it is consistently rising. You do see the angle going up this way, right? But it is very subtle, right? It's not a large increase. We see a couple of spikes here and there, but it's nothing to really write home about, right? But what we're here for is not to just give you a review on XRP. We're looking at this, which is forget RLUSD stablecoin. Ripple is betting on tokenization. Now, the thing that I want to call out within this article is more about the partnership for RLUSD launch. So as for RLUSD, the official launch is drawing closer by the day. It is still in the private beta testing phase on Xrpl and the Ethereum mainnet. So far, quite a number of stablecoins have gone into inactive wallets. In August, Ripple Labs began minting the stablecoin on Xrpl and Ethereum mainnet in small bits. With time, it moved on to larger chunks, as it once recorded a mint of 10 million RLUSD. Once this USD backed stablecoin hits the market, it may disrupt the market where the top two players, USDT and USDC, control almost 90% of the value. Financial service provider PayPal Holdings Inc. PYPL launched PYUSD stablecoin a while ago, but gained little traction. Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple CEO, does not see RLUSD facing such a challenge. Now, I did see that I did make a video on the PayPal stablecoin. And how that could be big because they do have a massive amount of users within that. But it's all about what you would utilize the stablecoin for. And I feel as though with PayPal, yes, you can find a way into that with how many transactions that go through that. But people, unless you're going to have the standard transaction go through PYUSD, that's the only way you can see that. But if there's no type of benefit as to why you would use it over traditional banking, then what's the point, right? So I think that's where you kind of fell flat, and I think what Ripple is going to do and what XRP is going to be able to do with this and the XRPL, you're going to see that transition and the benefits that are associated with that side of things. Our payment solutions will leverage RLUSD, XRP, and other digital assets to enable faster, more reliable, and cost-effective cross-border payments, Garlinghouse added. And again, that's what I was talking about, right? It adds a level of utility and usability to it that separates itself from everything else. Now, while you still have USDT and you still have USDC, that's kind of controlling the not just transactions, but when it comes to swap transactions, when it comes to making those trades, via exchanges, that's where all of that comes into play, where all that movement comes into play. It's easy to transition from USD to Bitcoin, or USD to Ethereum, or USDC to Ethereum, USDT to Ethereum, USDT to Jasmy Coin, USDT to this and that and the other thing, right? And for RLUSD, it's not only that aspect of it, but also a bigger vision to where it can be heavily utilized and pinned to a value of $1, meaning that you don't have to worry about the fluctuation really with like a regular coin that you would have out there, like a Bitcoin or Ethereum or even an XRP. So Ripple intends to make the stablecoin accessible through exchanges like Uphold, Bitstamp, MoonPay, and others, right? So what would be very beneficial to this? I feel as though when you see the partners that they're partnering with now, where you see the list that we just went through, those are big names, but you're going to have more and more through regular exchanges that you can see that transaction that happens. Does this mean that you go out and buy RLUSD for a massive uptick or a massive profit that you can gain? No, that's not really what it's about. It's about the use. And if you have the ability to use it in many different places, not just in PayPal, then because PYUSD, it wasn't as successful, still out there and still has success in its own right. It's just not as successful as people thought. RLUSD will be completely different, which does strengthen the XRPL, in turn strengthens XRP overall and gets Ripple closer to that publicly traded company status, right? Anyways, let me know what you think about the partnerships here. Is this going to be big for XRP? Does this mean anything for XRP? And do you think the RLUSD stablecoin will have major success in the market? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel for MargeX, for Patreon, for Twitter. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. See ya.